Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can deactivate your account on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to deactivate your account on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, you will need to go to your Instagram settings. So to do that, first, I want you to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, you will then be able to see this 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen, which is your settings. So just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be on your Instagram settings. So to deactivate your Instagram account here on settings, I want you to go to the account center. And here at the account center, I want you to go to personal details. And then tap the account ownership and controls option. Then tap deactivation or deletion. And then just select your account. And after that, there it is guys. You will now see the options to deactivate your account or delete it permanently. What you will select here will depend on you, but since this video is about how to deactivate your account, this is what we should select. Once you're done selecting an option, you can now tap continue. And then you just need to enter your password to let Instagram know that it is really you who's trying to deactivate your account, so just enter it right here. Once you're done entering your password, just tap continue to proceed. Then right here, you just need to select any reason why you want to deactivate your account. Once you're done selecting a reason, just tap continue once again. And after that, Instagram will ask you for a final confirmation if you really want to deactivate your account, so just tap the deactivate button to confirm it. And then there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, your Instagram account will now be deactivated just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.